a little bit more of a darker, large shape down here might actually balance off all the lights that were happening in
Hi everybody, welcome back to my studio. Today we're going to do a really neat video. It's an exercise in determining value by changing your painting that you're working on into a black and white version and seeing where the values are. This was really fun for me to put together. I hope you enjoy it. I'm in my studio today and I am working on the final steps of a couple of paintings. And one tip, this video is not going to be super long. It's just, we're going to explore this tip. I've been told to turn paintings, photos of your paintings into black and white. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to turn the paintings that I'm working on today black and white. I'm going to show you here. I'll do a little voiceover and we'll talk about values and the things that I'm learning and then what I'm going to do in the finished painting to make it work. Here we go. Okay, I'm working on two different paintings in the studio today. I've got the mountain painting, which I think I'm finished, and I've got the sunflower painting. So this is after I've worked on it a few times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put up photo and then a black and white photo, and then we'll talk about it a little bit on that photo, and then I'll show you what I've kind of done on this. Here is the mountain painting. I think I'm done. I really like it. Now let's turn it black and white. The basic thing that I want to share is that the tonal values should have at least 3, and I think I succeeded here. We've got the really lights of the sky and the mid-tone grays, and then the really darks down at the bottom. I'm thinking it's pretty balanced, and I think it's done. So let's go on to the sunflower painting. This is how I left the sunflower painting and how I came in and found it this morning. Now let's turn it black and see what the values come out as. Okay. Interesting. I do see 3 values. I see grays, I see the very dark, I see the lights. But what it has shown me is that I've almost treated every sunflower in the same value. I need to give those sunflower shapes even some different sizes and some different values. I've worked on the painting a little bit. I've given some lighter lights into some of the petals, things like that. I'm trying to get a flow of darks through the painting. Let's turn it black and white and let's see what happens, or let's see what I did, if it made any difference. I really love the lower left side, but I'm seeing something that I want to do with the lower right. In looking at the black and white, this leaf really stood out to me, and I don't think I need this great big huge light shape. So here goes. I'm taking a risk. Let's see if I make it a bit of a smaller leaf and darken this area. Oops, I need some water. Okay, I've got the water. Let's see if making this darker here, bit of a smaller shape. We'll see where I go with that. I may even just get rid of it altogether. I don't know. Let's see if giving a darker shape, what I'm going to want you to see is in the end, a little bit more of a darker, large shape down here might actually balance off all the lights that were happening in that last black and white photo. I don't know. Do I know what I'm talking about? I think so. I think I instinctually know what I'm talking about, but we'll see if I get it to work, okay?
And I may play with this after we're done the video and things like that, because you know how it is while I'm working on camera, I can't always figure out if I'm thinking correctly. So I don't know if I like the shape, like it just boom, it kind of brings us straight. Oh, there's a prettier shape. Okay, that leaf is a much prettier shape. Let's go in and play a little bit here. Okay, I think I'm on to something. So what I'm gonna do is take a photo and see, let's see if this shape of darkness, which I can kind of build up a few leaves in here, so that it looks like, you know, it's not just a big void, it's full of leaves and stems and things like that. But I think the darker value there, actually, I want to get rid of one little line here. I think the darker value there actually gives your eye a space to rest in this very, very busy composition. What do you think? Let's go to the black and white.
Okay, yes, I think that works. That gives a much more dynamic composition of values and shapes and shades. What do you think? I think I love it. Now on to this wild abstract that you know I'm learning, so don't judge me. But this is what I came into this morning, and then I took the photo. Okay, so right away you can see that the medium and the very darks, they're too close. And I've kind of divided my painting in half, this light side and the dark side. So here's what I did next. So guys, who knows if this painting's gonna work out, but this is to show this value thing. Here's the black and white. A much more dynamic composition. Don't you think? I'm learning some stuff.
I am definitely learning some stuff. I hope you learned a few things about just even taking your camera, turning your image into black and white so you can see the balance of values. I think you want at least 3. You want some strong, some lights. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Let's figure out some more painting together. Do something artsy in your day today. Have a wonderful one.